3, 2, 1.
The road to increased job creation through skills training is advancing at an encouraging speed, and the project for promoting youth employment through construction equipment operating skills training is adding to the progress. A collaborative effort between the Zambian government, the government of Japan, the United Nations Industrial Development Organization, UNIDO, and Hitachi Construction Machinery Zambia, the project began in 2021 and is being implemented at a total cost of over $4 million United States dollars. The project is aimed at improving the lives of Zambian youths, one initiative at a time, the latest of which is a heavy equipment operator training workshop at Kitwe Vocational Training Center. The workshop features 2 classrooms and a spacious workshop designed to host up to 50 students per session. The workshop inauguration ceremony was held at KVTC and officiated by the Copperbelt Minister Elisha Matambo, representing the Minister of Technology and Science Felix Mutati, who was the guest of honor.
This occasion marks far more than the commissioning of this infrastructure. It signifies the commissioning of opportunity, productivity, and transformation. Above all, it represents our collective investment in the future of Zambia's skilled workforce. Ladies and gentlemen, today we affirm a simple but powerful truth that no nation can rise beyond the capacity of its people. A skilled, innovative, and disciplined workforce remains the foundation of sustainable development, competitiveness, and shared prosperity.
Kitwe Vocational Training Center Principal Crispin Kakoma expressed pleasure in the progress being made at the center through the project for promoting youth employment.
I see every day the difference the quality training makes in the lives of our students. Young men and women who arrive here, uncertain of their future, leave this place fully equipped, confident, and ready to contribute to this nation's development. That transformation is what really drives us as KVTC.
Since the program began, over 1,000 applications have been received, reflecting the strong desire among Zambia's youth to acquire high-value skills that lead to sustainable employment and improved livelihoods. To date, the program has trained 391 learners and conducted 11 training of trainers programs, strengthening both student competence and institutional instructional capacity. Out of those trained, 381 graduates are now fully qualified and ready to join Zambia's mining, construction, and infrastructure workforce.
United Nations Industrial Development Organization Chief of Fair Production, Sustainability and Trade, VP Stuckey, says UNIDO is dedicated to ensuring the training meets international standards.
Together with the partners, we have strengthened the institutional capacity of KVTC. We have seen the facilities, and these efforts when it comes to curricular development, trainer, instruction training, and so forth, are very much industry aligned. They are also competency-based and sustainable. We heard from the board member just now, and I'm really confident that the results will be sustained. Now, this brings to my third word, which is success. Success for young people, for the economy, and for the continent. Success means that young graduates entering the workforce have the confidence and the competence. It means that industry are gaining the skilled operators that they need, not only for the productivity, but very importantly for health and safety.
We are particularly encouraged by the potential of this facility to serve as a model of skills development across Zambia and the wider region. It provides a strong foundation for replication, scaling, and innovation within the TVET system.
Japanese ambassador to Zambia, His Excellency Akitero Mikami, says the government of Japan is committed to the success of the project.
This significant project was launched in September 2021 as a public-private partnership, uniting the governments of Japan and Zambia, UNIDO, and Hitachi Construction Machinery Zambia. During the implementation of the project, I am aware that there were certain challenges due to the impact of COVID-19 and power shortages caused by severe drought. As a result, the period for program implementation and verification was extended by 1 year. Nonetheless, I am very pleased to witness the successful completion of the center, a testament to the collaborative spirit among all stakeholders in overcoming these obstacles.
Technical Education, Vocational and Entrepreneurship Training Authority, TVETA Director General Cleophas Takaiza, said growth in the demand for skills is an indicator that the trade skills sector must continue to improve.
From the time, guest of honor, that you broadened the CDF, we saw growth in terms of enrollments, but we also saw growth in terms of demand for skills such as this one, heavy equipment operations. And the challenge that we have had as your regulator, because of this excess demand, each and every entrepreneur wanted to open up a training facility to train operators. But to train an operator, you must have the equipment. What you just launched in the other building there will give us an opportunity now to identify some of the centers, such as these ones, to be assessment centers.
And Hitachi Construction Machinery Zambia company president Nobuhiko Saito says the company has contributed technical expertise, working closely with project partners to ensure graduates are industry ready.
We were also honored to sponsor 5 Zambian trainers for a training or trainers program in Japan. Through this experience, they gained advanced technical knowledge, modern training methods, and a strong sense of discipline. We are confident that these trainers will play a key role in strengthening Zambia's capacity for skill development.
The ceremony ended with the signing of a memorandum of understanding between KVTC and Hitachi Construction Machinery Zambia, followed by an on-site machine operations demonstration. The project for promoting youth employment through construction equipment operating skills training is a 5-year operation that continues to change lives and improve the Zambian economy through skills training. Wabwila Musongole reporting for Focus in Kitwe.